Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye, and I'm the author of the Gateway to Arabic series. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Marhaban. Welcome to my channel. This class is for those who have gained competence in reading and writing the Arabic script. If you wish to learn how to write and read Arabic easily and very quickly, I'll advise you to watch one of my other videos entitled Arabic from the Beginning Part 1. However, this series is going to be based on one of my publications, the Gateway to Arabic Book 3. Please buy a copy of this book from our website www.gatewaytoarabic.com, and that will be appreciated. Without any further ado, let's start with our first lesson. But let me just say from the outset that the Arabic taught in this class is the modern standard Arabic, which is understood across the Arab world. So let's open our book 3, page 2, please. So page 2, we have Faisal, who is introducing his friend using what we call detached pronouns. And that is to say, in Arabic, الضمائر المنفصلة detached pronouns. Let's first of all look at the detached pronouns before we come back to this page 2. Right, I have put for you here detached personal pronouns, الضمائر المنفصلة. Now, the first two lines is the third person. The second two lines is the second person. And the last line is for first person. In case you are wondering, what's the third person? What's second person? What's the first person? In grammar, when we say first person, meaning the speaker. When we say second person, it means the person that I'm talking to. So, for instance, I'm the first person because I'm the speaker. You are one person, you are the second person, whether you, one or two or three, you are the second person. And if I'm talking to you about other people, those other people, we call them in grammar third person. Right, let's start with the third person. So we have the detached pronoun huwa. Huwa is for singular masculine, للمذكر المفرد, and it means he or it if you are referring to non-human object, inanimate and so on. That's a singular. Here, and that is she or it if you are referring to feminine object. So huwa is for singular masculine, and here is for feminine singular. So singular in Arabic is called al-mufrad. Al-mudhakkar meaning masculine, al-mu'annath means feminine. Let's now go to the duo. Duo means two people because plural in Arabic starts from 3, not from 2, unlike, as we know, in English and many other languages as well. So duo meaning two, you're referring to two. In English you say they. Here means they, meaning two of them. So you say huma, and it's the same whether if you are referring to two ladies or two men, two boys, two girls, you will say huma, they. And when you move to plural, which means 3 or more, if you say they, meaning men or boys, you will say hum, they are. If you mean 3 or more girls or 3 or more ladies, you will say hunna, they. So this one is called in Arabic للغائب. للغائب المذكر المفرد. للغائب الضمائر للغائب المؤنث المفرد. Here duo in Arabic is called مثنى. المثنى. And plural is called جمع. So للمذكر and الجمع للمؤنث. Now let's move swiftly to second person. You, masculine singular, you will say أنت. And you, feminine singular, you will say أنتِ. In Arabic, it's called للمخاطب, the person that you are speaking to. للمخاطب مذكر أنت. للمخاطب مؤنث أنتِ. أنتما also للمخاطب, meaning two of you, that's a مثنى. أنتما, أنتما also it's gender neutral. So you say you, meaning two of you men or two of you female. Antum, if you are speaking to group of boys or group of men, all of you, meaning three of you or more men, boys, I will say antum, you are or you. And if you are speaking to a group of female, you, all of you feminine or female, all of you girls, I will say antunna. Now let's move now to the first person as a speaker, mufrad, singular. I will say ana. A girl, a woman also will say ana, I or I am. Speaker in Arabic is gender neutral. So ana, nahnu, we or we are, whether two of us or millions of us, we say nahnu. So in the first person we have only two, one for the singular, ana, and nahnu, both for duo as well as for plural. So ana, nahnu, nahnu. Now let's have a look at the detached pronouns with agreement of adjectives, like nationalities for instance. Let's start with the third person, للغائب. هو مصري. He is an Egyptian. هي مصرية. She is Egyptian. Now let's move on now to the duo, meaning two of them. We're using huma for two men and huma for two women. So huma مصريان. They are two Egyptian men. هما مصريتان. They are two Egyptian women. Now in the plural, which is a three or more, we say hum for men, three or more men. We say hum مصريون. Hum مصريون. They are Egyptian men, meaning three or more. هن مصريات. They are three or more Egyptian women. Now let's move to the second person, للمخاطب. أنت مصري. I say you are an Egyptian. أنت مصرية. You are talking to you and you are a female. أنت مصرية. أنتما, both of you, مصريان. If you are a man, you say both of you are Egyptian. And أنتما مصريتان. If I'm speaking to both of you and you are female, you're women, أنتما مصريتان. Then we have plural, أنتم مصريون. أنتم مصريون. You are Egyptian men. أنتن مصريات. You are an Egyptian women. Now, first person, المتكلم. أنا مصري. I am Egyptian. أنا مصري. أنا مصرية. If a lady speaking, you say أنا, I am مصرية. I am Egyptian. If two of us or more of us speaking, we say نحن. Two of us, we say نحن مصريان. That's we are two Egyptian men. نحن مصريتان. We are two Egyptian women. Plural. نحن مصريون. The same نحن مصريون. We are Egyptian men, meaning three or more. And نحن مصريات. We are Egyptian women, meaning three or more. Now, this gives you a complete picture of how you can start using the detached pronoun, which is الضمائر المنفصلة. Now, let's relate these to our book. Book 3, page 2. Let's go to page 2. Now, on page 2, you will see Faisal in the middle introducing his friends using the detached pronoun, using ضمائر رفع منفصلة, using those one. Let's start with the Faisal in the middle. Right. Those of you who have completed book 2, you'll find this page very easy for you. You'll be able to follow it. Let's read it. Right. Again, I'll read this more slowly than usual for pronunciation. Now, Faisal say, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Ismi Faisal. My name is Faisal. Ana min Makkah. I am from Mecca. وأنا سعودي. I am Saudi. وهؤلاء أصدقائي. And these are my friends. So that's the first thing that Faisal said. Now let's look at the box number 2. What's happening there? So on box number 2, that's top right. هذا طارق. This is Tariq. Tariq is a male name. وهذه أسماء. And this is Asma. Asma is a female name. وخديجة. Khadija is also a female name. So we have 3 people, 2 girls and 1 boy. And how do we address them? We use hum, which is for plural of male. Hum Misriyun. Hum Somaliyun. They are Somalians. Min Mogadishu. From Mogadishu. Number 3. هذا حبيب. This is Habib. هو بريطاني. He is British. Min London. From London. So we say هو because we are referring to singular male. هذا, that's number 4. هذا حسين. This is Hussein. Hussein is a male name. وخالد. Khalid also is a male name. وقاسم and Qasim. Qasim is also a male name. Because 3 of them, we refer to them to say they are, we're using hum. Hum Maliziyun. They are Malaysians. Min Kuala Lumpur. From Kuala Lumpur. Number 5. هذه عزيزة. Aziza is a female name. وصالحة and Salihah. Salihah also is a female name. Huma, because there are 2 of them, we say they are, using Huma. Huma Nigeriyatani. They are both Nigerians. Min Abuja. From the capital city of Nigeria, Abuja. Number 6. هذا أكرم. Akram is a male name. وهذه حنان. And this is Hanan. Hanan is female name. There are 2 of them. We say Huma. Huma. And we use Philistiniani. They are Palestinians. Min al-Quds. From al-Quds. Number 7. هذه نسرين. Nisreen is a female name. Here, because it's only singular, we say here. She is Pakistaniya. She is Pakistani. Min Karachi, from Karachi. Number 8, هذه سارة. Sarah is a female name. وهدى. Huda is a female name. ونادية. Nadia is a female name. Because there are 3 of them, they are all women. We say hunna. Hunna Misriyatun. They are Egyptians women. Min al-Qahira, from Cairo. Number 9, هذا باسم وبسام. Basim is a male name. Bassam is a male name. Because there are 2 of them, we say Huma. Huma, they are Suriyan. They are Syrians. Min Dimashq, from Damascus. So this is the reading for you on page 2. I will give you a little bit of idea how to use your detached pronoun, or as we say in Arabic, الضمائر المنفصلة. Now on page 3, this box is a vocabulary box. You will see the spelling of all these names mentioned here, how to spell them, how to write them in Arabic, together with a couple of other new words, vocabulary. Please learn those for me. And this is a table for you of the detached or personal pronouns, الضمائر المنفصلة. Now, let's start with a little bit commitment so that we can derive maximum benefit from this class. So, first thing you need to do for me is please learn this and memorize your detached pronoun. Anytime you see any new words in the vocabulary list, please go ahead. As I always said, please, you need to organize yourself, make flashcards with your vocabulary, write Arabic one side, English the other side, maybe 3 or 4 new words per day. You get there. Together, inshallah, we will speak the Arabic language. Inshallah. Well done. مع السلامة. مع السلامة means goodbye. إلى اللقاء means until we meet again. في أمان الله. Go in the protection and with the security of your Lord. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله. Now, if you have any question, please write it below and I'll do my best to respond to your question. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.